So here's a common scenario. Perhaps you've been at home, you've had a couple of cocktails, maybe a glass of wine at dinner, or you've been to a party, or maybe out at a restaurant. You're driving home, you're not paying attention, perhaps you commit some vehicle code violation, maybe worst case scenario, you're involved in a minor traffic collision. And the police come and you're interviewed and the police ask you, have you been drinking? Well, anytime you admit to drinking and driving, it's arguably incriminating. And so my first response would be, don't say anything. You have absolutely no obligation to speak to the police. You have absolutely no obligation to provide them that information. However, it's a catch-22 to some degree, because if you refuse to answer any of those questions and they have any suspicion of you driving under the influence or consuming alcohol and driving, then you are probably going to be in a situation where you are likely going to be investigated for DUI and arrested. So if you feel you're in a circumstance where you have not been drinking to excess, it's been a very minor amount of alcohol that you've consumed, then honesty with the officer can be very fruitful. I can never advise you to misrepresent anything to the officer, but you also have to keep in mind that if the drinking perhaps has been excessive, or you're unsure about whether or not you may be impaired, it may be in your best interest to decline to answer any of the officer's inquiries and questions.